Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to the lecture. So now we'll go to the first floor part and we'll try to take out the quantities. Okay. Now again in the first floor, it's the same thing. See, the bedroom part is done. This is bedroom number 3. We'll try to do it similarly like we did. Okay. Come to the bedroom number 3. Okay. Yeah. So in bedroom number 3, let me, yeah, this is enough. Fine. So in bedroom number 3, the size is 3.96 by 3.35. So again, I've written 3.96 by 3.35. So you write first floor flooring. Okay, fine. So this is done. So now coming to the area. Area again 3.96 into 3.35. But what is extra? This portion. Here D is also there, no? Yeah. So this D you can see, this D you need to take care of. Okay. So again, we know the dimension for the D. It is mentioned here. So D is again 0.9 and this wall thickness is, it is a 111. Okay. It's a 4-inch thick, see 0.11. So what we are supposed to do, it has to be 0.11. Okay. Not 0.23. Yeah. 0.11 into this was 0.9, isn't it? So we have a D there and for D it is, yeah, D it is 0.9. So it is 0.9, correct. Okay. Done, no? Enter. Hit the enter button. Done. Your quantity you got here. Now come to the next part. Which is the next part? The next is your general bath. Here. The next is this portion. General bath. It is 2.93 by 1.74. So in the general path, I have written 2.93 into 1.74. Okay, fine. Now here this door D1 is there. So again D1, it's a which wall? You tell me the dimension. So it's a 100.11 wall. Okay. And this thing, which is that D dimension for the D, it is 0.9. So it has to be, okay. See, general bath, I took 0.75. Why it is 0.75? General bath, it is D, no? So if it is D, it is 0.9 only. So it should be 0.9. 0.75, I think I took for D1. Okay, this has to be 0.9. Correct, right? So let me verify once again. Yeah. So this is okay. This is D1. Sorry. See, it's not visible. Sorry for that. Yeah. It's actually D1. I took it wrong. Okay, then it's fine. If it is D1, then we are supposed to take this as 0.75, no? D1, see? Yeah, D1 is 0.75. Enter. So in the, yeah, enter. So here also it was, okay, here why it is wrong then? Because in bedroom number 3, let me, okay, this is D. Then it's okay, fine. Sorry, okay. This is D, this is D1, proper. Now come to bedroom number 4. So again, bedroom number 4, it is 4.23. 4.23 and 3.05. So bedroom number 4, 4.23 and 3.05. So D is there. So D in the sense it will be again how much? Again, this is 0.11. So it will be 0.11. Okay. Into 0.9 because D dimension is 0.9. Okay. Yeah. 0.9. Fine. Okay. Fine. Next, after that, come to passage number 1. So here you see, this is written passage number 1 and passage number 2. Okay. So it's a flooring area, no? So how they have done the dimension, we'll see that. So they have written passage 1. Here, I have broken down. What I'll do is, I'll tell you what has to be done. See, so here we'll consider this as one passage. This is one passage, passage 1. And your passage 2 will be this part, this portion. Okay. This will be, okay. We'll consider this as passage 2, no problem. And your passage 1, according to this, it has to be this much. This much is your passage 1. Okay, we'll consider in that only, and remaining we can take it later also, no problem. Okay, you're getting my point, no? So what I'm trying to tell is, see, this is passage 1. From here to here, it is 5.26. If you want, I'll check the dimension again. See, from here to here, it is, okay, it is 5.72. Okay, then I need to change it. 5.72. And this is 2.03. So this is 2.03. It is correct. Okay, fine. So yeah, you can see it is 2.02. Okay, it should come. Let me do that. Yeah, Okay, it is 2.02 only. Okay, no problem. Fine. After that, so once that is done, next we'll check this particular portion. So from here to here, from here to here, this particular area is 4.19. This is 4.19 from here to here. Okay, and okay, wait, let me do one thing. See, um, you need to understand this, because this portion I have taken this much. If this portion is taken up to here, then this portion will be taken up to this part. Okay, if that is the case, then this will not be 5.72, right? You agree with me? Because this dimension, I'll delete this dimension. Yeah, so I have to take dimension from here to this portion only. Yeah, then it is 5.26. If that is the case, then I have to write 5.26 only. Okay, 5.26. Now it's correct. Got it? So we'll write this as passage 1. So quickly do that. So we'll have to write passage 1, and then I require passage 2. So what I'll do, I'll add one more this thing here. And wait, let me add one more, this one. So let me copy the same thing again, Control C. You have to write this as Control V. Okay, and this is passage 1. So passage 1, you tell me how much it is. Just drop it. Yeah, so passage 1, 5.26, right? And this will be 2.02. It's correct. Whereas passage 2, we'll do it later. Okay, passage 1, this is done. So everything I've covered. So is there any door and other part coming in this passage? Up to here is my passage 1. Okay, okay, there is no door and all. Fine, no problem. So you don't have to add anything, just you multiply this passage 1. So that will be, yeah, 5.26. Yeah, so this will be 5.26 into 2.02. Exactly. Next is passage 2. Okay, so I'll consider this as passage 2, and we'll check the dimension. So this is 4.19, correct? And this is 1.42. Okay, so if that is the case, then I can write here passage 2. So it will be 4.19, and this is 1.52, right? Yeah, it is 1.52. Fine. Okay. Is there any door to be added? Yeah, this small portion we are supposed to add actually. See, this much portion will go, okay, in the flooring. But actually, there's one small portion left here also, no? This also you need to add. So again, how do you add it? Very simple. For that, I'll come here, passage 2. This is the answer what I got. Okay. Here, I'll do it. Yeah. So now you see, this is the area we got 4.19 into 1.52. But for this area, I need to add. How much it will be? So this thickness is 0.23 multiply by, so D. For D, I don't know. D, I'll come and see what is the dimension for the D. It is 0.9. You can see D, it is 0.9. So multiplied by 0.9. 0.9. So and close it. Hit the enter button. Done. So your passage to flooring is also done. Okay, passage and passage 2 is done. Next, what all part is left out? So I think this particular area is left out, isn't it? This much area is left out. We'll try to do that. So quickly try to understand what all things are left out. So we'll go back here. Everything is done. Let me quickly recap everything. This part is done. Agree? Yeah, up to here we have done. This part is also done. Yeah, this part is also done. Then from here to here we did up to this part we did. Then from here to here we did. This part we did. This was also taken care of. Yes. Okay. And then what is left out? Now you can see this much portion is left out. This much portion is left out. Okay. This area we need to find. So this much area we are supposed to find. This much area we are supposed to find. So again, we are doing the flooring, no? So up to here, your flooring will come. Your flooring will come up to here. Okay. Because here one more step will come. Okay. Your staircase will end here. If your staircase ends here, then your this thing, the flooring will be this much. So I'll do one thing. I'll take the dimensions now quickly. So I'll take this dimension. So we can take this dimension. Here to here I'll take. Correct, no? See, slight, if it is here and there, it's okay. Doesn't matter, okay? And from there, I'll take this dimension also. Till here I'll take 3.07. So 2.06 and 3.07, if I multiply, no, I think all the area will be covered. Okay. Even if it is little extra also, doesn't matter. See, I think with this end and this end. Yeah. Yeah. Everything will be covered. Nothing will be left out. So in this way, we have covered this part. Okay. This slight extra part also have come. This also extra has come because here staircase will come. No. So here flooring won't happen. That will come in the staircase flooring. Rest it is correct. This extra portion we have taken. It's okay. Again, you don't try to deduct this much small part. It's okay. You're taking on a higher side only. No. If you're not taking on a lower side, then it's okay. Okay. Otherwise, you do one thing. I'll tell you one more thing. Let this area be added. No problem. Don't add this door area. You're getting my point? Because this area is not added anywhere, isn't it? This also we need to add. But anyhow, we have added an extra portion here, which will take care of this. So instead of adding door, let this be there. Don't add the door part. If you want to be so accurate, then what you do, you have to deduct this much part. Again, you go here. Okay, you check what is this dimension from here to here, this dimension. Then you check this dimension from here to here. Okay, you deduct this, then you add this. Instead of doing all this circus, no problem. You just leave it. It doesn't matter. You just leave it. Okay. Just leave it. Whatever answer you're getting, you just multiply. You get the flooring quantity there. So what is that? 2.06 into 3.07 we want. Okay. So staircase portion. Yeah. Here see the staircase portion and passage near ground bathroom. They have taken two different. What I had done in the Excel sheet was I taken this two differently. Like I took yeah, this much part in one, and then this much part was taken in the other. But here, while explaining, I already taken 2.06, and this is yeah. So while explaining, already I've taken care of those things. So what we are going to do is we'll remove this portion. Okay, this is not required. We'll just put everything in the staircase portion only. But still, let me try to see how much changes will happen. Okay, I'll take out this quantity, not required. So I'll write here staircase portion square meter. We just multiply that value. It's enough. So it will be 2.06 and 3.07. I'll write 3.07 first. So I'll write 3.07 and I'll write 2.06. 2.06. Okay, see how much I got? 6.324. See, here also I got 6.324. You're getting my point? What I tried, I'll explain you. I'll just save this portion separately. Control C. I'll keep it somewhere here. Okay. Now, and okay, we can't do that. So just I'll take this answer. Control C, I'll paste it here. Control V. Okay, now also it won't work out. No problem. I'll go back. Yeah. Previously, how much quantity I was getting, 3.584 plus this quantity I was getting. So it was almost 4.913. Okay. Now what I did, I removed this part. I removed this part. Okay. Anyhow, it will not work out. Yeah. 4.934. I'll just write here how much difference will happen. 4.913. 4.913. Okay, just understand what I'm trying to do. Okay, I'll remove this part. Only the staircase portion I'll say. And what is that dimension we have? 3.07. So 3.07. And the other part is 2.06. 2.06. Okay. See, we are getting 6.324. Previously, we were getting 4.9. Almost 1 square meter we are missing. Okay. That means in staircase portion, 1 square meter extra we got. The reason is that we took this extra space. I told you, no, this extra space we are taking, we have to deduct it, and then we have to add door. But still, in spite of doing that also, 1 square meter extra we are getting, it's okay. Again, you don't try to be so much precise and do, it's a flooring quantity, it's okay, doesn't matter. Okay, yeah. So I think first floor, everything I've calculated. Now again, if you want, I'll do this thing. What is that? First floor quantity, let us try to add it here. Okay, auto sum. Yeah. So in first floor, almost 55 square meter. So in first floor, almost 55.071 square meter of flooring is required. And in your ground floor, 123.690 square meter of flooring is required. Okay, fine. So in the next lecture, we have another small portion left out. That is your anti-skid. That means even in this portion also, we are supposed to do this, right? Even in this portion also, you are supposed to put the tiles, which is called as anti-skid tiles. We'll calculate the quantity for that. So if you do that, everything we have done. Okay. So we'll see you back in the next lecture. Thank you.